Welcome to Top 10 Bangladesh. Today we are talking about the top 10 historical heritage sites of Bangladesh. 1. Mahasthangarh, location at Bogura. Mahasthangarh is one of the earliest archaeological structures that was unraveled in Bangladesh. The site is located 11 kilometers from Bogura and closer to the Bogura-Rangpur highway. Mahasthan in the Bogura district is what remains of this ancient city. It was previously known also as Pundranagar or Pundrabardhanpur. It is believed that the people who used to occupy this forgotten city used it as a means of transportation and agricultural benefits. The city was in use until the 18th century when nature took over, turning it into a beautiful green landscape. Mahasthangarh is the oldest known city of Bangladesh. 2. Sompur Mahabihar, location at Bogura. Sompur Mahabihar, also familiar as Paharpur Mahabihar, is a beautiful and earthy-looking monastery. The 80 feet tall structure in the Nogad religion goes back as far as the 8th century AD during the Pal Empire. Alongside the cells and stupas, researchers did discover coins, platters, structures, and various other artifacts. Most of the findings from past excavators are visible in the adjacent museum across the attractions. Sompur became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. Since then, to preserve the site, relevant authorities carry out regular building work. 3. Shalbon Bihar, location at Kumilla. Shalbon Bihar is a crucial site as part of the Moinamoti remnants in the Kumilla district. From the 7th and 12th century, Moinamoti was an important center for Buddhism. The site founded by Baba Dev, the fourth ruler of Dev dynasty, lies in a 168 square meters area. The site is in the middle of the Lalmai Hills right. The flamingly woody colored building was a lodging place for 115 monks. Prior to being a monastery, it was formerly familiar as Shalban Rajar Bari. After discovering copper artwork when digging the soil, the site then went by the name of Shalban Bihar. 4. Kutil Mora, location at Kumilla. Kutil Mora was located in Kumilla Adorsho Sodor Upojela, Kumilla district, Bangladesh. Kutil Mora is one of the 5th spots between the Moinamoti remains. This place goes back to 600 AD. In terms of style, this site has more a traditional structure, whereas other Moinamoti ruins have a more evolving style. This historical site is on top of a mount which has 3 spiritual elements including Dharma, Sangha and the Buddha. 5. Jagaddal Mahabihar, location at Nauga. Jagaddal Mahabihar is founded by the later kings of the Pal Empire. Jagaddal Mahabihar is present in the northern areas of Bangladesh, close to the Jagaddal village. Jagaddal was a monastery dating back to the 11th to 12th century. UNESCO supported excavations verify this was a monastery. A report by UNESCO reveals an extensive mount 105 meters long by 85 meters, which represents the archaeological remains of Buddhist monastery. Finds have included terracotta plaques, ornamental bricks, nails, a gold ingot, and their stone images of details. 6. 60 Domes. Location at Bagirhat. The 60 Domes is also familiar as the Shad Gambud Mosque or Shad Ganbad Masjid. This spiritual place received designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985 as a cultural building. From the Sultani period, it is also the largest mosque in the country. The location of 60 Domes is also in Bagirhat, Khulna Division, Bangladesh. The inside is as marvelous as the exterior, with identical archeries stretching out to support the roof. Along with the 60 domes, there is also 60 pillars that support the uphold and weight of the 60 domes. 7. The Lost City of Bagirhat. Location at Bagirhat. The location of this historical city in the southwest of Bangladesh. In 1985, the site gained recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Turkish man by the name of Ulugh Khan Jahan is the founder of this place. The beautiful decoration from the 15th century is made up of bricks. The mosque city was once famous as Khalifatabad during the reign of Ali. Architecturally beautiful, the city uses a distinctive style of designs often familiar as the Khan Jahan style. 8. Lalbagh Fort. Location at Dhaka. The Lalbagh Fort on Lalbagh Road in Dhaka never got to full completion, with the commissioning of the building starting in 1678 AD. Mughal Emperor Azam Shah 28 June 1653 to 8 June 1707 began the work and the magnificent structure. Staying in Bengal for nearly 15 months, the fort came to a halt when he had to return back home during the war period. In 1684, Chhat Shasta's daughter Pori Bibi met her death in the fort. The new governor of Bengal saw the fort as bad luck and a place of misfortune. 9. Ahsan Manzil. Location at Dhaka. What is now a national museum, Ahsan Manzil was once a beautiful residential place. The location of gorgeous building is along the banks of the river Buriganga in Dhaka. The Ahsan Manzil place is famous for its pinkish color. Hence, people are familiar with this site also by the name of Pink Place. The pink stone of the place is what makes it so distinctive. The building work of the place began in 1859, completing the numerous job in 1872. The elegant design of the building has an Indo-Sharnic architectural style. 10. The Sundarban. Location at Khulna Division. The name Sundarbans, meaning beautiful forest in a mangrove forest consisting of 140,000 hectares. The name originally derives from the word Samudra Ban, meaning sea forest, with rivers and sea water surrounding it. In 1997, the beautiful forest became a natural UNESCO World Heritage Site. The forest is also famous for housing the dangerous Bengal tigers. This part of Bangladesh has international recognition for having mangrove trees and shrubs growing on land and water. Thanks for being with us. Keep watching Top 10 BD. For more latest video, subscribe Top 10 BD.